legendary beats.
Vibes. It's your easy. See, where are you right now? Another man's song. What you do for that?
Hi guys, so this is how the hair came. This hair is from RPG Hair Company. So this is how it came in the pack. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this wig. It's their body wave textured wig. This wig is really a great quality wig. The hair is really beautiful and soft. So this is how the wig cap looks like. It comes with a comb and it's a 360 wig, of course. So now I'm gonna start by plucking the hair, just trying to make the frontal look natural. So as you can see, I'm just tweezing the hairline randomly, at least to have that natural look. Just take your time with this. This can take so much time, so just take your time with it. So I'm going to tweeze a little bit at the back as well. After tweezing the hair, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my powder on the lace of the wig. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig on my head. So you guys can actually leave your wig like this. You can see that it looks really natural. So I'm just applying some powder on it just to cover up those lines, but you can actually leave it like that. It's still very beautiful, but I'm gonna lay mine with the Got2b glue gel because I want to pack mine into a bun. So you guys can see the way I apply my Got2b glue gel. I didn't apply too much. After applying the Got2b glue gel, I'm going to go ahead and spray the fizz spray to make it tacky. Then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and place the frontal.
You stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
After that, I'm going to go ahead and tie the scarf and leave it for like 5 minutes and take it off. So I'm going to repeat the same thing at the back. Since I want to pack this hair into a bun, if you don't intend to pack your 360 into a bun, you don't really have to do anything to the back of the wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my baby hair, and I'm just cutting the baby hair What I'll say is that next time I will cut the baby hair to be very short. Like, it's short now, but I'll make it very, very short, and let me see what it looks like. Though some people like their baby hair long, some people like it very, very short. So I decided to do it like this. At least next time I'll try to cut it very, very, very short and see what it looks like. And of course I'm going to show it to you guys. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to cover the line as much as I possibly can. After that, I'll go ahead and tie my scarf and then take it off. So now I'm just trying to pack the hair into a bun. So guys, this is what it looks like when you pack it like this. It's actually really cute, seriously. I love it like this. Whatever. Or you can make it into a bun like this. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the piggy tail cornrow on this wig. And this is how it looks like. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.